Hi guys, Caesar here again at your service. We're here again for a quick tech review of such tower fan from the Asahi brand. If you still remember, I did a review as well before with a somewhat controversial fan, the Firefly rechargeable mist fan, having concerns here and there because of additional or advanced features that shows in papers and also the buttons of that one. If you want to check it out, just click the link above. But this one now, after testing this after more than a year of use and even adding another one which the parents of my partner bought. Without further ado, the Asahi TF-006 tower fan. Here's the features and specifications as advertised by Asahi as well. What's inside the box? Here's the actual unboxing of my Asahi TF-006 tower fan. Review time! What can I say about the Asahi TF-006 tower fan? Is it worth it to buy or not? The reason why we bought this one because of space. It's one of the key tower fan feature, consume less space. So we went to certain appliance stores and centers looking for a tower fan that has really a powerful air even if it is set to minimum. Somewhat strong gust of wind for the reason we'll be using it in our small room. Having a baby and we wanted the room to be cool even during the day, which now especially this summer that is really hot. Not just hot but super hot even if you have air condition. So we tried different tower fans but they're really not what we expected that should have that strong or powerful air even when set to maximum. What we found are those industrial type of fans which you can even put some water, same as the one I reviewed before but a bit bulky but really powerful. The concerns is the space that it will consume a lot and also safety to consider when there's already a baby around or probably a kid that's really curious and wanting to touch everything. But we kind of considered it as well. So just get that one instead as an option if we can't find anything at all. There's a lot of tower fans from different brands but as mentioned now, even how tall or big it is, it's still not enough if you ask me. but it's a space saver but less air power. Now, we went to another appliance store which we always purchase our appliances from TV, air condition, and others. We asked if any tower fan they can recommend that is really powerful. At that time, the Asahi TF-006 tower fan is quite new and kinda they're hiding it for some reason. So they've shown it to us, and somewhat the design is not somewhat you expect versus other tower fans in the market today. So we tested it and kinda surprised with the powerful air even when set to minimum. The concern that kinda they should have think of this is the missing remote control. Everything is analog from the knobs and the push button oscillation system. Now, in regards for cleaning or cleaning it, which what I've been showing you for a while now, kinda easy in a way really. By the way, this should be done by grown-ups. So for those kids wanted to help their parents, ask for assistance as always. Don't forget to unplug the fan while cleaning it. You need a Phillips screwdriver or star screwdriver and a brush, which should be enough for cleaning. I didn't wash the filter anymore, but I think would be fine if you want to. I just used a brush to clean the filter and the fan inside. Returned everything to its original state and even tested the fan as well. As I've shown you, we have two fans. The white one with so many dirt, the one I bought a year ago, and the other, the black one, a few months ago. Now the big question, is it worth it to buy or not? My answer is a big yes. We even bought another one used in the living room now, replacing the small and old small fans we had before. The price is also cheaper versus the other tower fans, by the way. Okay, that's it. Hope you're able to learn a thing or two about the Asahi TF600 tower fan. So if ever you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button so that you'll be updated to our next videos. Thanks again for watching guys, goodbye, and please be safe as always.